Hi, my name is Harrison Taylor, and this is my AEP 855 Educational Leadership Module 1 Introduction. So a little bit about me. I'm currently a 912 special education teacher at Baselon High School, Baselon School District in Baser, Kansas, pretty close to the racetrack in the Kansas City area, kind of on the outskirts of the metro. I coach football and I assist with strength and conditioning in the summer, and I'm also a member of the building leadership team. A little bit more about me, some things that I enjoy. I enjoy fishing, I enjoy hunting, I like to be outdoors just in general. I like to spend time with my fiance and also my dog, Wookie, which we didn't name, but he was adopted. So anyways, that's a picture of them. Okay. So the three types of mindsets are all students can learn and grow, social capital and teamwork will always outperform individual talent, and happiness is a choice. All those things are really important mindsets. I agree with them 100%. They're necessary for success. And to have success, you have to believe that students can learn and grow. Otherwise, you kind of just be giving up on them. Social capital and teamwork will outperform individual talent. You have to have the culture working together, and I've definitely seen this for sure. And happiness is a choice. You need to have a positive outlook, and you definitely have an impact on yourself in this situation. Um, Five dispositions are confidence, risk taker and decisive, sense of humor, empathetically assertive, and learner. All these are really important leadership characteristics that I would agree with, and I've seen in several different types of leaders I have. I think that people are individuals, so not every leader will be really strong in all of these areas, but they're going to need to possess some of them for sure. And most of them for a really effective leader. And this will help people look up to that person and follow, and then also this person will be able to connect with their followers through these dispositions. The three types of practices I read about were focus and prioritizing, examining feedback and data, and emotional intelligence. I think these are really important, and I see them in the administrators that I work for. They're really focused on this. So focus and prioritizing, you've got to set the direction for the school and give a vision, for others to follow. Examining feedback and data, you need to be able to make changes based on data and feedback, and use research-based practices to make effective changes. If you don't use the data and appropriate feedback, then you're just guessing as to what the best course of actions would be. And then emotional intelligence, obviously you have to build the culture of the building, connect with others, and you have to be a people person ultimately. Okay. 8 principles of ethical leadership. You need to have personal courage, public interest ahead of self, self-control, self-discipline, integrity, task and employee centeredness, recognizing talent, requiring high ethics from everyone, and sensitivity and understanding and inclusiveness. So all 8 principles are really important. All leaders pretty much have them. You need to treat people with respect, obviously, follow these, and then it will help build a culture and trust of others in you. If you let one employee do whatever they want, break rules, unethical, that really won't go over well. And you also need to be ethical yourself, and work to unite people. Okay, so my own mindset, disposition, and current teaching practices. I think I follow a lot of these. I think I'm constantly trying to improve in these areas. I've been taking on more leadership roles, and then with my coaching background, all of these leadership characteristics are extremely important in all these areas, and something that I've been constantly working on. One thing I want to continue to work on is my just knowledge and skill in general, with educational practices, strategies, data, all those things, so that I can make impactful decisions quickly, decisively, and lead effectively as a future building leader. I'm looking forward to this class this semester. My last semester at Fort Hays, so ready to wrap it up and finish my degree.